May isa pa akong basic na example na ginagawa ko din. Ayaw niya nagsisend ng calendar link. Kasi parang feeling niya, ang yabang or walang personal touch. Na parang ang yabang, eto yung calendar ko. Mag-schedule ka dyan. Parang ganun yung dating sa kanya. The way I say it to clients kasi is please find a suitable time that's convenient for you. Pero totoo, mas convenient din talaga sa akin yun kung sila yung mag-book ng call. Diba? Hindi na ako yung maghahanap ng magbibigay pa ako ng 2 slots, ganun. So, pero the way I say it is, please, hindi ko sinasabi na this is my calendar link kasi tinanggal ko yung ego na, oy, may calendar link ako, ikaw meron, ganun, parang ganun. So, the way I say it is, oh, this is our calendar link. Kumbaga the company, parang ganon. Tapos, to make it easier for you, please find a suitable time that suits you. Tapos, sasabihin ko pa na, if just in case na hindi siya makahanap ng slot, please let me know and I will manually book you in. So, it's not like inuutosan mo siya na, oy, padaliin mo yung buhay ko, eto pindutin mo yan, calendar link ko yan, may calendar kasi ako. Hindi ganon yung dating. Parang, oy, eto para mas madali sa'yo, ayoko kasi mahirapan ka. Saka kung magka-problema ka, lapit ka lang sa akin, tutulungan kita. Parang ganon. So, nag-a-appeal ka dun sa self-interest. In a way, hindi mayabang yung dating. Diba? So, it's just a simple play of words, pero nakukuha mo yung buy-in. Kasi hindi mayabang yung dating. Hindi ka nag-uutos, hindi ka nag-command. Pero yung interest mo is to make it easier for the other person. Well, in fact, ang totoo is they're actually helping you to make your life easier.